from Northern Tool. This is supposed to be the equivalent to the Honda 2000. From what they told me, it was spec'd out by Honda, and except it's supposed to run a little bit longer and a little bit quieter, and not quite half the price. A little bit over half the price. And it has the 30 amp plug also. It's kind of interesting. But I'm going to fill it up, start it up, and give it a test on all different types of tools. Cool little item of note, there's this red ring. It's the max fill line. Got a little bit over full. That's alright. Kind of an old sloppy gas can, but anyhow, they did recommend do Stay-Bill. I put that in there. And the oil, I used just the Honda generator oil. I think it was 530. So here we go. Okay, I haven't read the instructions, of course. Who needs instructions? So it looks like it has some sensors here. Oil, overload, output. Run, choke. Stick it on choke. And the cap has an off and on switch. It's got on. Brand new. First crank. First pull. Like literally out of the box. That was the first pull. I am super impressed. So, here the roundness of it. Too terribly bad. About 10 feet away, you can hear it. About 20 feet away. So yeah, it's got a little bit of noise, not too terribly bad. Alright, I'll let it run for the first time for a couple of minutes. Show you a couple of access ports. This is where the oil check and fill is. And it has a screw knob on there. And then this guy, I believe, is where the I get with one finger. Anyhow, you slide that one open, and that's where the spark plug is. And it does come with the tools for the spark plug. But you know, I think it's super important. That's just me to check the oil. Well, but if you notice, this is kind of neat. It doesn't get into the compartment where have a little bit of scoop there, and this is scooped out, so any excess oil runs out. Well, the first real test was putting in my air compressor, which says right here 14.5 amps, and it hit the overload. It wouldn't do it, so I turned it off. I guess that's how you reset it. We'll turn it back on, make sure that's off. Huh. Well, I had to plug that into the wall to see if it would work. Next is going to be the skill saw to see if it pulls that. Talking 13 amps. working. Let's see if this can accommodate the air compressor once it's charged. We got charged all the way up right now. We'll hook it up to there and see if we can hold both of those. Quick update on the generator. Yeah, it seems to run the skill saw good, but the compressor, nope, it is not pulling but just like 1 amp more.